Hey, what's up guys? Angelito here from overcometechnicalities.com. In this video, you're gonna learn about installing WordPress to properly manage your website. WordPress, by the way, is an open source software you can use to create beautiful websites or blogs. It's the easiest and most powerful blogging and website content management system in existence today. If you're new here, consider clicking on the subscribe button. If you don't want to miss a thing, click on the notification bell so you'll get notified when we release a video. Once you're ready, let's get it started. Log into your GoDaddy account by entering your username and password, or if you're already logged in, simply click your profile on the top right of the page, then select My Products. Under the web hosting section where it says Economy Linux Hosting with cPanel, click on the Manage button on the right, and you will be taken to your hosting accounts page. Click on the cPanel admin button on the upper right part of the page, and by doing that, a new tab will open where you will be taken to your cPanel hosting dashboard. Once you're inside the cPanel, type in WordPress on the search box to quickly locate WordPress, then press on the WordPress logo. Click on the Install this application button. Now, before the installation could continue, you need to scroll down to the settings section, and this is very important because you need to create your own username and password of your WordPress site. We see here the auto-generated username provided to us by default, but of course you need to change this and come up with your own admin username. Let's do the same for the password. So it's very important to make sure to keep your username and password, because this is what you're gonna use when you log into WordPress to manage your site. That's all the settings we need to have for now, and we're ready to install WordPress. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Install button. Now, the installation process will start and should only take few seconds to complete. In order to access your WordPress site, you need to type in the domain name you registered, followed by a / and then wp-admin. Enter the username and password you used prior to installing WordPress. Now, you will be logged into your WordPress site where you will be greeted with the WordPress Quick Start wizard that only appears once after installing WordPress. All we have to do in this case is click on the No Thanks button because we will configure WordPress on our own, which is great for total control. A pop-up will appear and simply click on OK to continue. And that's all there is to it. Welcome to your WordPress account dashboard. Anyways, if you've enjoyed this video and found any value in it, consider giving it a thumbs up. Remember to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to be notified when there's more video tutorials like this coming your way. If you have anything to add to the discussion, there's a comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.